YouTube channel DigiLearner. In today's video lesson, we shall discuss about globalization. It is advantage, pros and cons or merits of globalization. So this lesson is covered in core paper 10, semester 4 of political science honors students. Now we shall discuss about some of the advantage of globalization. Globalization is an international situation that has arisen in the late 20th century, in which world's investment, employment, production and marketing system have spread beyond the territorial limit or boundaries to the international arena. Due to spread of means of communication and transportation and technology, all over the world, the whole world transformed into a global village. Globalization refers to the integration of the economies of all countries of the world into global economy in terms of production, distribution and exchange of goods and commodities. Now we shall discuss about some of the advantages of globalization, or what are the merits of globalization, what are the pros of globalization, and what are the also significance of the globalization. First is the proper use of capital and resources. In the process of globalization, there has been integration of capital and technology of developed or capitalist states with natural resources and cheap human capital of developing states. Hence, there has been proper use of capital and resources all over the world. Next is the transfer of technology. Due to globalization, the technology all over the world transform from one state to other state or one country to other countries. Transfer of technology throughout the globe is good for developing state. Any country can borrow the technology through the agreement or can implement it in their country for their overall development. We can communicate each other easily from any part of the globe by using advanced technology at a minimal cost, time and this is another advantage of globalization. Next is the standardization of living. The living standard of people is increased and enhanced in the age of globalization all over the world. The integration of the economy is a key process of globalization and enables the country to fight against poverty and improve the standard of living of the people across the globe. Many researchers have been viewed that when a country open up their trade to the globe, the rate of economic development or growth is faster. Living standard of people tends to increase. Next is the development of infrastructure. Due to the technological advancement and it is transferred throughout the globe, helps to improve the country's infrastructure. Development of infrastructure means overall development of respective countries. Here it is necessary to say that economic growth and the development of infrastructure are compatible with each other or complementary to each other. Infrastructure development and economic growth. These are two sides of the same coin. It is possible through the process of globalization. Next, the speedy and balanced economic development. In the process of globalization or in the age of globalization or due to globalization, there is the speedy and balanced economic development all over the world or all over the globe. Globalization entails to optimum utilization of resources, wherein deficit resources are procured, surplus resources are exported to other countries. This ensures speedy and balanced economic development in both developed and developing countries or states all over the world. Affordable products. The consumer all over the world get qualitative goods and commodities at an affordable price. With the access to the latest technology, the countries can provide qualitative product to their consumers at affordable prices. Consumer promotes competition in the domestic. Globalization promotes competition in the domestic economies all over the world. Next, the promote import and exports. A large number of industries are established in all over the world due to the market and liberalized economic policy in the process of globalization. There has been mass production all over the world, and that promotes export and import among the countries. Extension of market economy. Globalization promotes market economy and extension of market. It provides an opportunity to the domestic companies in going global and satisfy the growing demands of foreign customers. The whole world transformed into a single market due to the globalization. Next is the increase of foreign exchange reserve. Though globalization countries can increase their foreign exchange reserve owing to the foreign direct investment or FDI. So, due to the liberal economic policy or liberalization, there is the flow of FDI across the world to all countries, from developed countries to the developing countries. Hence, the foreign exchange reserve of the developing countries has been increased or enhanced. Next is the contribution to the world GDP growth rate. Globalization ensures contribution of every country to the world GDP growth. Next is the brings opportunity to the poorer country or developing country. Globalization allows companies to move their production from high cost location to the lower cost location abroad. This means bring job, information technology and other economic opportunities to the countries with fewer resources or less resources. In next video lesson, we shall discuss about disadvantage of globalization or demerits or cons of globalization. Thank you very much. Thank you.